If you've been searching for a more private browsing experience, Brave Search might just be what you're looking for. But does it really deliver on its promise of privacy, or is it just another search engine in disguise? Let's dive in. Brave Search is designed to provide users with a privacy-first alternative to traditional search engines. Built by the same folks behind the Brave browser, it aims to eliminate tracking and offer unfiltered search results. Right off the bat, you're greeted with a clean interface that's easy to navigate, which is a plus for users who may not be tech savvy. The core functionality revolves around delivering search results without the invasive data collection practices that many popular search engines employ. It prioritizes user privacy, meaning your search history isn't stored or sold. However, while the concept is solid, some users might find the search results less comprehensive compared to giants like Google. There are definitely moments where the search results feel a bit limited, especially for more niche queries. If you're someone who values privacy over perfection, Brave Search could be a refreshing change, but it may not fully replace your current go-to search engine just yet. Now, let's talk about the strengths and weaknesses of Brave Search. On the plus side, the privacy features are a standout. You won't have to worry about your data being harvested, and the interface is user-friendly. It's a great option for anyone looking to escape the constant surveillance of online tracking. However, it's not without its downsides. Some users report that the search results can be hit or miss, with less relevant results popping up occasionally. Additionally, the overall search experience might not feel as polished or comprehensive as what you'd get from more established search engines. If you're looking for a robust search experience with extensive results, Brave Search might not fully meet your expectations. But if privacy is your top concern, it's definitely worth giving a try. In conclusion, Brave Search is an appealing option for those prioritizing privacy in their online searches. It may not completely replace mainstream search engines for everyone, especially if you rely on in-depth results. However, if you value your online privacy, it's certainly worth exploring. Just keep your expectations in check and you might find it a refreshing alternative.